Hey there. If you've landed on this page, I believe you've just gotten access to the SaaS Entrepreneur Leverage Code. Thanks for actually getting your copy. Now, this is not going to be any of all those hyped moments where you're seeing somebody all over the place jumping on your screens. But as calm as this is, thanks for actually taking the walkthrough on the and filling out the details to actually get your book. A copy of this will be sent to your email. You get a link to actually. But right here on this page, I just want to introduce you to some of the biggest perks that you get to keep right here on this particular book. Now, after this book, on this particular, coupled with this book, right, you could actually get access to the leverage code programmable. Right, this is our blueprint that demystifies the need for luck. Right, getting a clear, structured roadmap to scaling without trials and error, a leverage based growth strategy that you could implement without having to wait for luck, which is also everything I've talked about in this book. But you're going to be getting a hands-on experience working one-on-one with me. Our power stacked revenue sharing model. Now, this is what we believe moving into the future. Right there in the book, there are four things I'm really going to be breaking down to you. One of the four things that actually make businesses move right now, which are around the power factors, which is what I call them: the money, power, the influence, the authority, and your result. And your ability to build one of all of these factors is what will make for your success predictably as a beginner SaaS entrepreneur, as a beginner business owner in the 21st century. Now, this is the concept here. Now, people don't really care about how much your product has done, how much your product can do, except for these power factors. Is your product associated with money? Is your product Do you have enough money to to help your product grow? Meaning, do you have enough funding to help your product grow? Do you have enough influence built around you yourself as a founder and around your product? Do you have enough authority? Do you have enough results? These are the four things that really matter in the industry right now. And your ability to build one or more of these factors fast enough as a SaaS entrepreneur in 2025 is what will place you the edge over a million other SaaS entrepreneurs out there. And that is exactly what I'm going to be breaking to you right here on these particular offers that you're seeing on your screen. Now, the business model that generates revenue consistently. Now, all of this revenue, all of these models and stuff like that, which I will be discussing, are quite behind the same mind game, which I am also going to be revealing to you. I've reviewed the mind game for success right now in the 21st century is built around these four factors. If you know how to make these four factors move, you have everything it takes to print money in 2025. And that is exactly what you're going to get in access right here. So now, a mind hack to strategically create your own partners. You're going to be able to create your own partners, your own investors, your own collaborators who will be willing to work with you effortlessly. I'm going to be showing you a system where collaborators could drive your growth for you instead of you doing all the work alone. You probably would not be able to compete with the 1 million MRR giant by yourself. So meaning you have to find faster ways, to actually get your goals. You have to find faster ways to get your power factors. Either you're building influence, or you're building money, or you're building authority, or you're building results. You have to find the fastest way to build one or more of these factors. And the most predictable factor we have seen out there is the money factor. It's very much easy for you to actually build your money factors faster than every other thing out there. I'm going to be showing you everything how you could actually do that right there on this particular blueprint. Now, over the market giants blueprint, how to organically scale your first $20,000 in MRR without any money into ads, without any money plunged into ads. Now, this solution right here is what we have actually come into the market ourselves to solve with the Collapse Pay, which is the payment structure for the future. Now, with this particular payment structure, which is what we're still working on and launching into the market very soon, we're going to be changing the way businesses think forever, and you just get to be one of the first early birds to actually get access into what the future of businesses would look like in a few months from now. It's going to be a few months, and you're just opportunity to see how we're going to do this, and you're going to watch live, right? You're going to be a part of this, and that's what we're looking forward to. So now, the effortless partnership and revenue sharing blueprint, which is everything I have mentioned. All of this stacked one time over the other. Now, this also you'll be getting access to the freedom from struggle, which is a mind game that changes everything. The same mind game I have explained over and over again. You're going to be getting access to my video, my hour-long session that actually breaks many of these insights together and collapses it into chunks for you to actually consume in no time. That is everything you'll be getting access right here in this book. So now there's going to be a link for you to actually decide to join our community, join the Affluent Accelerator community. The Affluent Accelerator community is a community where we're launching the number one accelerator hubs for the fastest growing creator minds. Now, creator minds, SaaS entrepreneurs, creators, business owners. This is what you'll be getting access to, the affluent accelerators. Now, with the affluent accelerators, we've had products, we're making products into other verticals as well, and this is what we do. So now, with that being said, I would not like to take any more of your time. There's going to be a button down below, more buttons down below that gives you the full information you actually need to work side by side with us. Now, with that being said, let's close this one and see you. Bye.